Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Contact Form 7 for WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Contact Form 7 and click Install Now. Once installed, make sure to click Activate to enable the plugin. You will then see a new Contact menu item appear on your left-hand sidebar, which is where all your forms will be managed. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your first form. Click on Contact in your dashboard, then select Add New. You'll see a default form template already provided, which is a fantastic starting point. You can easily add new fields like text areas for messages, email fields for user contact, or even checkboxes for options. Simply click on the desired field type, configure its settings, and insert it into your form structure. It's quite intuitive. Customizing your form fields is straightforward. You can easily change labels, add placeholder text, and mark fields as required. Next, navigate to the Mail tab. This is crucial for setting up where form submissions go. Specify the recipient email address, the sender's name, and the subject line. You can also configure a second Mail tab for an autoresponder, sending a confirmation email back to the user, which is a nice touch for user experience. Once your form is complete, you'll see a shortcode at the top of the form editor. Simply copy this shortcode and paste it into any WordPress page or post where you want your form to appear. For enhanced security, consider integrating reCAPTCHA to protect against spam submissions. If you want to further customize the look, you can add custom CSS to your theme's style sheet, giving your form a truly unique appearance. It's quite flexible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.